medieval period was a time of many non-advanced medical practices and simple warfare weapons. Many of the medical practices of this time were unsanitary, and they were not always successful. Medieval warfare was fought with simple weapons that were made using items found in nature. Soldiers fought with dignity and honor in their kingdom and family name. Medieval times had little advancements in medicine and warfare, but many of the people worked hard for the materials they had. Many sieges were settled by negotiation rather than engaging in open warfare because there was a lot of work involved in planning a siege. So many besiegers attempted to negotiate with the lord, the constable, and the garrison. Battle started through attacks, which represented intent. Some siege engines would have been hurled. By the late Middle Ages, cannons signaled intent. Medieval siege engines originated in Greek, Roman, and ancient Chinese warfare. Archimedes was responsible for advancing siege technology, which the Greeks had introduced before the 4th century BC. At the same time, the besiegers assaulted the main gates, heavy timber doors, and attempted to set a fire to any timber rooftops, shielding the castle doors.
Better strikes are made over the head in the shield wall, downright onto the head, collar, and shoulders. Spears are used with both hands at a chest parallel, then upshot across the boundary. Addressing a warrior involved in another altercation would have been model efficient.
Single fights are probable to have been resolved by painful blows, leaving the opposed barely alive. Once the shield wall ruptures, it is implied that many were left behind to bleed until their sorrow. Targets which are most easily hit are usually legs and the lower body. Opposing a fighter in a male shirt, the lower arms, face, and neck are some of the self-evident duty spaces.
Many health and medical beliefs were based off of superstitious tales, such as the belief that sicknesses were spread by bad smells. The only people who were capable of receiving medical treatment were the wealthy and those who lived in the cities, because doctors only practiced in cities. Surgery was used for breast cancer, fistula, gangrene, cataracts, tuberculosis, and hemorrhoids, but it was only used if no other medical procedure was successful. The body was viewed as a part of the universe, a concept derived from the Greeks and Romans. 4 humors or body fluids were directly related to the 4 elements. Fire represented yellow bile or choler, water represented phlegm, earth represented black bile, and air represented blood.